Hello, it's Michelle Elaine Nivranon. I'm Elaine Nivranon. I was brought up through the medium of the Irish language at Scolnahi and Coláiste Sagan and went on to UCD to obtain my degree. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Irish medium education, and we'll also hear from parents, students and teachers about IME and their experiences with it. IME has become the preferred choice of education for a growing number of parents and families the length and breadth of Ireland over the last few years. Irish medium schools followed the immersion method of teaching. This allows the child to acquire the language naturally through the exposure to Irish on a daily basis. Irish is the primary language of instruction and communication in the schools, but the formal teaching of English and more recently other European languages also occur.
The approach that teachers adopt in immersion is a very natural approach. It tries to mimic the way that children have learned their first language, and the teachers speak Irish to the children from the first day, and they help the children to understand what they're saying by using gestures and pictures and concrete materials so that the children understand very quickly what the teachers are trying to say.
Immersion education is like taking a child and you allow them to immerse themselves in a language completely. It's as if they're diving into a swimming pool full of the Irish. The language will be all around them and they absorb it, they learn it like little sponges, they take the language in.
The Irish medium sector has seen significant growth over the past few years. Currently around 35,000 children are educated through Irish at preschool, primary and post-primary level across the island.